You want to share experience about your son in the car?
Yeah, I want to share the experience of my son with the Divine Fire. My son was driving a vehicle. There was a big pothole there. So when the two-wheeler went to that pot, he got a jerk. He did not fall, but he had some jerk, and he was feeling that something has happened to his thumb, and it was not normal. He went to the doctor. Doctor said it is a ligament injury. But after 2 hours also, and I was continuously reading Divine Fire and he was also reading Divine Fire. Then what happened? We did MRI. When we did MRI, doctor said this elongator, the nerve that is going from here, this particular, because this movement was restricted of my son. So he said, we can only take decision of the surgery after opening this. There is two options. We will have to go for screen grafting or otherwise pull a nerve from here, surge the nerve where it has gone, shrink and pull both together. This surgery may take up to 2 to 3 hours.
Oh my God.
And then my son and we both got scared. And I said, how much money it costs? Well, it will cost maybe 70,000 or more than 1.5 lakhs. I said, money is not an issue. We will do the best. Then the whole decision was said, I can only give you, madam, be prepared mentally for skin grafting, taking out a nerve from here or this particular portion. I told Harsh, let's say, Bola, mummy, what will I do? He was in continuous pain. I said, Harsh, you do Divine Fire for the hospital, do for the doctor, do for the instrument on which you are being operated. When he was going to the OT, he said, Mama, I said, say Divine Fire. And when doctor went to the OT, continuously mother and child both chanting Divine Fire, because from the MRI we could not get the decision how long will be the surgery. We were prepared for the worst, means the skin grafting and all those procedures. After 10 minutes, my son came out of the OT and I told doctor, what happened? Well, nothing happened. It was on the verge of breaking. Here only we found it. We put a K clip or some pin here, and within 10 minutes the surgery was over, and that was a wonderful Divine Fire experience. Thank you, Shiva sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And you are, madam?
Pardon, sir?
Your name?
My name is Dr. Sadhna Shahi. I am from Aurangabad, Maharashtra, and I am in PVH since after 2000 COVID, and I am continuously religiously following only PVH. And Divine Fire, I have lot of faith. This is one experience. In the next video, I'll share another experience. Wait for it. See you then. Thank you, Siva sir.
25th of January 2025. We are in Aurangabad. Thank you, thank you. To prove this video, we have Rosario here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.